Last time on Bulldog, Stump, and Tractor.
At a friend's house on Saturday morning to help her with a brush pile that she inherited when she bought her house. So we're back on site to complete the job. It's been a couple weeks since we were here last, but in between then and now we've had no rain whatsoever. So everybody's lawn is super parched, and we're worried that even our gentle turf tires on our John Deere are going to cause the grass to die. So right now Justin's hosing it down to try to make it a little easier on the grass as we go in and out between our backyard. In case you're wondering what that is on Justin's shirt, he was deputized earlier today by the school.
Yeah, the summer program had the local city police come and give a summer safety presentation, talking about, you know, the fire risk and wearing helmets. Heard about that when they ride bikes, and they gave away stickers. So Max was kind enough to get an extra sticker so Daddy could have one, and deputized me this morning.
So we're back at the brush pile, just adding a few finishing touches, mainly just removing a little bit more debris and also trying to level it out the best we can. And then we'll be on to the tree stump.
Along with all the other hazards that come along with just operating a tractor, you also got to think of what's the change in conditions, right? We're going to change from loader work to stump grinder work. Well, right where we're going to be stump grinding, there's a AC unit, condenser. So what we're going to do is put up a secondary barrier. Now, generally the mud flap on the back of the stump grinder actually is pretty functional and keeps the debris scattered to a minimum. The problem is AC units, they have very thin fins. That's how they dissipate the heat. So it just doesn't take much to damage the fins. So to mitigate that, the changing conditions of the stump grinding, we're going to use a secondary containment barrier to make sure that there's no damage to the person, family friend, this is a family friend, their AC unit. So this is the barrier of choice today.
So where'd you buy this from?
This is one of those online specials. It's nothing too great, but it's quick, it's easy, and it'll knock down fine debris just enough to stop the danger potential.
Reminds me of the pack and play days a little bit.
Kinda, right?
Yeah.
Doesn't it? We're we're just gonna take this, throw her up right in our work zone. In there, and over here.
Can I have a turn with the hose?
And there we go. That should take care of all. We got a window, we got an AC unit, we have a gas meter, electric meter socket. In past here, it's just wide open, good enough for the mud flap to do its job. And the Kens. I love Mackenzie.
I may have to back up. We'll see.
For an experiment, I'm gonna try to grind the back side of the stump and then work my way forward. Typically, I always start at the nearest side to me. We're gonna try it and see how it works. Let's see how we did. We got pretty deep. Definitely deep enough. Definitely deep enough. I think what we can do is, since we had the dirt back there, what I'd like to do for them is take the loader bucket. We'll skim off the wood chips and dirt and that kind of stuff, and then we'll take some of that actually pretty decent mulch, come back over here, fill it, and then smooth bucket grade it over. Other than that, done deal.
What do you want?
So, this is where tractor stump grinders get a bad rap. First one, I grind left and right. I got teeth on both sides of my wheel, so I'm not sacrificing half productivity there. Now, the next jab, the difference between a tractor stump grinder and your Bandit, your Vermeer, your dedicated stump grinder, we may be a little slower because we got to lift up the 3-point, move, and keep repositioning. Agreed. But we have a front end loader. And the beauty part of a front end loader is we can go pick up all these wood chips. You're just not going to grow grass for many years until they break down. And then you're going to be left with, this sunk hole. So the beauty part of a tractor stump grinder is, with our front end loader, we're gonna go take out all this debris. We're gonna haul it back to their old mulch pile. Then we're gonna take some of that good topsoil that's been decomposing for many, many years. We're gonna bring it back here and fill up the hole. Then the homeowner can come over with seed and water, and they can get grass growing where the stump was this year. That's a big difference. Follow along. Let's see how we do it. what a stump job should look like after it. Okay, it wasn't the greatest dirt. It's what the homeowner had. It was free. We didn't have to pay to import clean topsoil in here. We got out most of the organics. Most of, not all. We got most of them out. We came over with some topsoil, and now we're ready to grow grass on it. So, hope you found this video interesting. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to future videos that are kind of like this. Thank you.